Isa ka bang Gen Z, bagong graduate at tinatahak ang first work mo as a young adult? Or isa ka bang wais na breadwinner? Baka para sa'yo na to. Introducing FWD's Smart Start. This is our newest VUL product kung saan madaming unique feature ang pwede mong ma-enjoy. Since this is a VUL policy, kung kunin ka man ng liwanag, may maiiwan na 1 million pesos sa family mo from your life insurance coverage. Bukod pa doon, meron pa tayong supplementary or mga additional benefits katulad ng guaranteed milestone increase. Dahil dito kay FWD, we celebrate living. And of course, part niyan is we celebrate your milestones together. Kung magkaroon ka man ng milestone like kasal, graduation, bagong bahay, bagong anak, may gift sa'yo si FWD. Dadagdagan natin ng 20% yung current life insurance coverage mo. At no additional cost to ha. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating Health Pro or yung ating Critical Illness Benefit. Andyan din ang ating Safety Pro kung saan if ang maging cause of death is due to accident, this will be on top of the total claims pa. Meaning, idadagdag pa siya. And of course, our Sure Pro, ito naman yung paunang help na binibigay ni FWD kung halimbawa natamaan tayo ng critical illness or we become disabled and unable to work, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran pa yung remaining payment years ng policy mo. Si FWD na yung magbabayad yan. And of course, dito kay FWD, we can customize yung mga benefits mo. So, kung gusto mo na mas mataas pa yung coverage mo, we can definitely do that for you. So, for all of these benefits, magkano naman yung premium niya? This is for only 14,907 per year or 1,200 pesos per month. And 42 pesos per day. Very affordable, di ba? At dahil this is a VUL product, meron din siyang investment component. Just like any other VUL, this is not guaranteed ha, dahil it will depend kung saan naka-invest yung pera mo at kung ano yung takbo ng stock market natin. Sharing with you a projected investment returns at 4%, 8%, and 10%. For example, this client wants to retire at age 58. At 10% growth, meron siyang possible na 2 million pesos na pwede niyang gamitin for retirement. Kung 4% lang naman yung growth, meron pa din siyang 548,000 pesos. And of course, it's up to you kung kailan mo kukunin yung ipon mo. The longer you keep it invested, the higher opportunity na mas mag-grow pa siya. Eto pa, this is a VUL plan na walang premium charges. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang meron lang tayo is policy fees na binabalik din natin sa'yo after 4 years. Not just 100% but 200%. Yan ang tinatawag natin na fee reinvestment benefit. Basta, we make sure na wala tayong late payments dahil ang goal natin dito is for you to build the habit of saving hanggat bata ka pa. Ang maganda pa dito, you will lock in the amount of premium nung age na kumuha ka. Hindi na siya magbabago or magmamahal pa. So, kung isa kang breadwinner at always looking for your money's worth, this one is for you. Meron tayong Smart Start at 1,800 per month minimum and Smart Start Lite for 1,200 per month naman. If you have any questions or concerns, send me a message. Again, this is Jigskus, a financial planner from FWD. Bye!